students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, this is English session. So for that you have to take out your English workbook first. And in English workbook, you have to open the page number 5454, 5555, 5656 and 5757. Okay. Student, please mention today's date on these 4 pages, that is 21st day, 12th month, 20th year. Put the take on classwork. Same thing, same date you have to mention on these 4 pages. Here as well. Fine. So students, as you know, we had completed our letter till T. Okay. So here you have to do the practice of letter capital S and small s, then capital T and small t, as you all have done in your book number 5. So here you have to do the practice of these letters. Okay, so let's start tracing and doing practice of letter capital S. As you can see over here, the first step is mentioned over here. So this is the capital S. And do you know what is the sound of S? As I have told in my live class and in my videos as well. So speak with me. S says sir. S sparrow. What is this? S sparrow. Let's do the tracing with me. Keep a pencil here. Go up to the red line. Make a right open curve. Touch to this blue line. After touching this, take another curve towards left hand side and to the touch to the third line, that is blue one, and go a little bit up. This is capital S. Which S is this? Capital S. Here I am going to show you the formation without dots. Keep a pencil here and go to the red line. Come to the blue line. It's a right open curve. Then come to the blue line. Third line, make a left open curve. If you will touch here, then go little bit up. This is the formation of capital S. Now while writing, you have to speak and write capital S. Which letter you are writing? You are writing capital S. And say a few more words. Let's start with letter S. S sun. S sparrow. S snail. S strawberry. S summer. S ship. S sunlight. S sister. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 5454. Fine. See students, here I have done all the letter S on page number 5454. In the same way you have to complete it. Make sure your formation should be correct. Okay. Now come to the page number 5555. Here also the formation is same, but lines has been changed. So let's see it. We have to use only these two blue lines. Okay, we have to write small s in between these two blue lines in this way. Small s. Small s. S sunglasses. S sandcastle. S seagull. S socks. S slippers. S shoes. S sandwich. Okay students, I'll show you when I'll complete this page. Okay. See students, here I have done all small letter S on page number 5555. In the same way you have to complete these 2 pages and submit your work on Google Classroom. Now turn your page. Now here we are going to write capital T and small t. Fine. So again I'll show you the formation on dots and without dots as well. See, for that we have to make one standing line from red line to blue line. Third line, make one small sleeping line on the top of red line. This is capital T. T says T. Tita, tractor. Tita, tractor. Make one standing line and a sleeping line. Make one standing line from red line to blue line and a sleeping line on the top of red line. This is capital T. Which T is this? Capital T. Tita, tomato. Tita, tiger. Tita, towel. Tita, teeth. Tita, tongue. Tita, telescope. Tita, toothpaste. Okay students, in the same way you have to complete this page. Okay. After completing this page, you have to do the page number 5757. Here you have to write small t. The formation is changed, but I'll show you the formation. Before that, I'm going to tell you the sound is same. Okay. T says T, T, torch. T, torch. Let's see the formation very properly. Keep a pencil on red line and come toward to the third line, that is blue one. Before touching the blue line, you have to take a curve from right hand side and go little bit up. Okay. And make one sleeping line in between red and blue line in this way. Okay. This is the correct formation of letter small t. Which t is this? Small t. Now here I am going to show you again. Keep a pencil on red line, come to the blue line. Before touching to the blue line, go little bit up, make a sleeping line in between red line and blue line. So speak with me. Tita, torch. Tita, toothbrush. Tita, tortoise. Tita, tongue. Tita, toothpaste. Tita, teapot. Tita, tree. Tita, tent. Okay students, in this way you have to complete both the pages. Okay, I'll show you how. See students, in this way you have to complete the letter T. Okay, and submit these 4 pages on Google Classroom in a very good handwriting. Okay.